In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Expert Advisor in MT4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your files, so MetaTrader 4 recognizes your Expert Advisor, often called an EA, and loads it properly. An EA is a small program that can automate trading tasks or provide signals. The files you'll work with usually end in .x4 or .mq4, and both belong in the same place inside MT4's data directory. First, open MetaTrader 4 on your computer. Make sure you're actually using MT4, not MT5, because the folder structure and file types differ between versions. With the platform open, look to the upper left corner and click File, then choose Open Data Folder. This is important because it takes you directly to the correct installation directory for your specific MT4 instance. Avoid browsing to program files manually, since multiple installations or broker-branded versions can lead you to the wrong location. Using Open Data Folder ensures you're in the exact place MT4 reads from. A file window will appear. Inside it, double-click the MQL4 folder and then open the Experts folder. Think of this Experts folder as the dedicated home where MT4 looks for all expert advisors. If you put your EA anywhere else, the platform won't load it. Now copy your EA file into that Experts folder. You're looking for a file that ends in .gx4 or .mq4. If you have both, placing either is fine. .x4 is the compiled version, while .mq4 is the source version. A simple copy and paste works well. If your EA came with additional documentation or icons, those can stay outside this folder unless specifically instructed otherwise by the developer. The key is making sure the .x4 or .mq4 file lands in Experts. Once the file is in place, restart MetaTrader 4 so it can detect the new EA. Close the platform completely, give it a moment, and then open it again. MT4 only loads new expert advisors when it starts up, so this refresh is what makes your installation take effect. After MT4 restarts, you'll find your EA listed in the Navigator panel under Expert Advisors. If you don't see the Navigator, you can open it from the View menu. If your EA isn't there, it usually means the file wasn't copied into the correct Experts folder for that exact MT4 installation. Revisit File, Open Data Folder, and confirm you used the MQL4, then Experts path. That's it. You've successfully installed an Expert Advisor in MT4 using the proper data folder and the Experts directory, and a quick restart to finalize the process.